Did you know that high blood pressure is the most common preventable cause of heart disease? Did you know that here in Uganda, when you count 100 people, 30 of them will be having high blood pressure? Did you also know that when you count 100 people that have high blood pressure and asked one by one to find out if they knew that they had a high blood pressure, only 80 of them will be aware? And out of these 8, it will still be less than half of them who will be doing something to prevent the high blood pressure from causing the severe damages. The number of people living with high blood pressure is estimated to double by the year 2025. High blood pressure is one of the common illnesses that's affecting people in this generation. It can damage important parts of your body. It can damage your brain. It can damage your heart. It can damage your kidneys. It can damage literally every part of your body. You can become blind just because of an uncontrolled high blood pressure. Let's join our hands and stand against high blood pressure. There are things you can do in your day-to-day life to prevent high blood pressure. At Health Touch Uganda, we've compiled a lot of beautiful information to teach you about what high blood pressure is, what exactly causes it, what puts you in danger or at a risk of getting high blood pressure, some of the things that can happen if you have a high blood pressure and have done nothing about it, the damages it can cause to your body, some of the things you can do to prevent high blood pressure, and if they tell you you have it, some of the things you can do to ensure you live normally like any other person without this high blood pressure causing you damages and serious issues which might even result into death. For you to get access to this information, join any of our WhatsApp groups. You can send a message to 0753924896 and request to be added to any of those groups, or you can visit our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and see all this information. Mwanguzi Shadrack, Health Touch Uganda, follow the light.